Yo, what's up, guys? You've been looking for the best Hostinger coupon code? You came to the right video. What you're going to do, you're going to paste the coupon code that I will provide you in this video. You will get a $50 discount over here. Let me show you how you're going to do the same. What you're going to do, click the link in my video description. When you click the link and come to this page, click on the copy button. Here, you will get your coupon code copied. On their website, for any plan and no matter which country you are from, just go and click on Choose Plan. At checkout, enter this coupon code that I provide, and boom, you get a $50 discount. It's that simple and that easy, so what are you waiting for? Now let's talk about why Hostinger is the best platform out here. First off, Hostinger's custom control panel, hPanel, is genuinely top tier. It is clean, modern, and super easy to navigate, making managing your websites, domains, and email accounts completely effortless, even if you are a total beginner. On top of that, their performance is outstanding, featuring fast light-speed servers and built-in security like free SSL certificates. If you ever run into any issues or have questions, Hostinger offers reliable 24/7 customer service through live chat, so help is always just a click away. Plus, they offer a hassle-free 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try out all their features, build your website, and test their hosting completely risk-free. If you are not satisfied, you can get a full refund within 30 days, no questions asked. Check out the link in description.